Aaron Plessinger has been officially ruled out of the Washougal round of the Pro Motocross Championship, and this is due to the health issue or health issues, whatever you want to call it, that go all the way back to Moto 2 at Redbud, where he had to pull out of that, and then tried in the the first Moto of Millville, and couldn't make that one either, or couldn't finish that one either. And sadly for him, I mean, this is a really good year points wise. This is a really good year overall for him, showing both Supercross and Motocross. I think at the moment he's third in the SMX standings, so having the contract for next year with KTM, he doesn't have to worry about that, and he's actually doing well. He's showing that he's, deserves a ride, deserves that ride, whatever you want to call it. And for him, it just sucks. I mean, obviously, it's good. I don't want to say good timing, but it's a good timing for at least if you're not feeling well, considering after Washougal, there's 2 weeks off between that and round 9 at Ironman. So next week off, or next round off at Washougal, and then 2 weeks on top of that, 3 week plus break. At least, hopefully, knock on wood, he can come back and continue what has been a very good year for him. I think he started the year with 2 podiums across the first 3 rounds. Season high result of second coming at Hangtown in round 2. So, I mean, you gotta say, hopefully he can come back. You never want to see anybody injured. You never want to see anybody, having health issues. It's just from a fan side of things. You want the most people out there, the most factory guys especially, provides the best product, the best thing to watch, the most exciting championship. And we do have a quote from Ian Harrison, the Red Bull KTM factory racing team manager, saying, "The whole Red Bull KTM factory racing team is fully behind Aaron Plessinger, everyone's favorite cowboy. Our priority right now is making sure he receives the best medical advice and care possible. Aaron came into Redbud not at 100%, but he gave it his all and continued to push through to line up at Millville. Unfortunately, he felt the effects of his illness early on, and despite fighting hard in the first moto, was completely depleted and unable to recover for the second. By sitting out Washougal and heading into the break, it gives him a few weeks to focus on figuring out exactly what's going on with his health. Most importantly, it allows him time to gain peace of mind and make the best decision on when he's ready to return to racing." Hopefully it is. Hopefully it is Ironman. Whatever it is, this 2 week break, 3 week break, whatever you can say is enough to figure out what it is, fix it, or maybe just need some rest. Who knows? But comment down below. You guys tell me, are you going to any of the upcoming rounds? What do you think of the championships in general? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.